1. Laminated wood spares may be substituted for solid rectangular wood spares. Answer: only when the same quality wood is used in both. 2. Aircraft adhesives must meet the requirement of. Answer: AC 43-13 1B, paragraph 1, 4A3. Where is information found? Concerning acceptable species substitutions for wood materials used in aircraft repair? Answer: AC 43. 13 1B4. In cases of elongated bolt holes in a wood spare or cracks in the vicinity of bolt holes. Answer: a new section of spare should be spliced in or the spare replaced entirely. A faint line running across the grain of a wood spare generally indicates. Answer: compression failure. 6. Which statement about wood decay is correct? Answer: decay is not acceptable in any form or amount. Which of the following conditions will determine acceptance of wood with material streaks? Answer: careful inspection fails to reveal any decay. 8. When installing a bushing in a wood spare, the bushing should be slightly short. Pin knot clusters are permitted in wood aircraft structure provided. Answer: they produce a small effect on green direction. 10. The cantilever wing uses. Answer: no external bracing. 11. Laminated wood is sometimes used in the construction of highly stressed aircraft components. This wood can be identified by its. Answer: the grain of all layers being approximately parallel 12. When patching a plywood skin, you must. Answer: align the face grain of the patch with the skin being repaired. Thin. Glued deterioration in wood aircraft structure is indicated. Answer: when a joint has separated and the glue surface shows only the imprint of the wood, with no wood fibers clinging to the glue. Compression failures in wood aircraft structures are characterized by buckling of the fibers that appear as streaks on the surface. Answer: at right angle to the grain. Bang. When and how is the finishing tape applied on fabric-covered aircraft? Answer: doped on after the first or second coat of dope. 6. The determining factors of the selection of the correct weight of textile fabric to be used in covering any type of aircraft isn't the. Answer: speed of the aircraft and the maximum wing loading. 17. How many fabric thicknesses will be found in the French fell scene? Answer: 418. Finishing tape, surface tape, is used for what purpose? Answer: to provide additional wear resistance over the edges of fabric forming structures. Finishing tape is applied. Answer: over the rib stitching and overall seams. The best method of repair for a fabric-covered surface, which has a L-shaped tear, each leg of which is approximately 7.5 inches long, is to. Answer: sew with a baseball stitch from the center of the tear out toward the extremity of each leg and a thin dope on a patch. 21. The strength classification of fabrics to use an aircraft covering is based on. Answer: tensile strength. 2. What is rejuvenator used for? Answer: penetrates the fabric and restores fungicidal resistance. Machine sewn seams an aircraft covering. Fabrics may be of the folded fell or French fell types. 24. When testing the strength of a grade A cotton fabric covering an aircraft that requires only intermediate grade, the minimum acceptable strength fabric must have is. Answer: 70% of the original strength for intermediate fabric. When dope proofing, the parts of the aircraft structure that come in contact with doped fabric, which of the following provides an acceptable protective coating? Answer: aluminum foil and cellulose tape. 26. If registration numbers are to be applied to an aircraft with the letter height of 12 inches, what is the minimum space required for the registration mark N11683C? Answer: in 27. When the original rib lacing stitch spacing is not known. Answer: refer to figure 2 to 12 in the AC43. 13 1B 28. What is used to slow the drying time of some finishes and prevent blush? Answer: retarder. Tunit. What is used to dope-proof an aircraft structure? Answer: self-adhesive aluminum foil. Dutio. Which properly applied finish top coat is the most durable and chemical resistant? Answer: polyurethane. 31. Aluminum pigment in dope is used primarily to answer: exclude sunlight from fabric. 2. A correct use for acetone is to answer: remove grease from fabric. 3. The purpose of primer is to answer: bond to the metal surface, inhibit corrosion, and provide an anchor point for the finish. 34. Wash primers are usually answer: coated with a urethane or epoxy primer. 5. Fungicidal dope additives are used? Answer: on the first coat to prevent fabric rotting on organic materials. The top coat finish that is most abrasion, stain, and chemical resistant is? Answer: polyurethane. 37. Epoxy primer is a? Answer: synthetic, thermosetting resin. 38. What is the usual cause of runs and sags in aircraft finishes? Answer: applying too much paint in one place. 9. Which defect in aircraft finishes may be caused by high humidity? Incorrect. Reducer or incorrect temperature? Answer: blushing. 40. Which statement is true regarding wash primer? Answer: wash primer does not require sanding and has high corrosion protection qualities.